this poster 100% made with Canva. By the end of this video, you'll be able to make this in under 5 minutes. Open Canva and then click create. I will choose social media and using Instagram post, or if you want to print it, use the custom size with 18 to 24 inch. First, upload your photo and remove the background. And then I will change the background color to dark blue. And then I will crop the player and increase the size. Go to edit, adjust, and I will add the brightness. And then go to element, type here halftone number. As the number is 12, I will use 1 and 2, and then change the color to white. And then group them. Reduce the size. And I will place it here. And reduce the transparency. And then send them to back. Go to element again and choose halftone texture overlay. On the graphic, see all. I will choose this one. Change the color to white. Increase the size. Reduce the transparency to about 20 or 25. Go to position, layers, and send them to back. On the element, type speed line. On the graphic, see all. I will use this one. Change the color to white. Reduce the transparency about 50. And I will place it here. Increase the size. And duplicate. Flip horizontal. And I will place it here. Go to position, layers, and send them both behind the player photo. And then type here stadium lights. See all on the graphic. And then I will use this one. I will increase the size and place it here. And then reduce the transparency about 50. And then send them back. And then type here light, enter. Scroll down. I will use this one. And I will place it here. Position, layers, and send it behind the player. Back to element, type ribbon. Choose the red one, this one. And then I will rotate it about 20 degrees. And I will increase the size. And type the name here. Type the position and the class here. And the name of the school here. You can increase the size of the player if you want to, like this. And for that purpose, we have to drag this here. And then select the name and go to Effect and choose Drop and change it to black. Okay, to add a subtle shadow, you can add the transparency. Do the same for this high school and also this position. Move it to the bottom a little and then click share, download as PNG, and then click download and then share to your social media. And that's it, a pro football poster made entirely in Canva. Please hit the like button if you like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you next video and have fun with Canva.